Hello everyone. From cities to mountains, mountains to coldest deserts, we are here to take you with us for every left turn that we take in this journey. This is me, Nimra Mahek, and my husband Akram Khan, and let's embrace this journey from Bangalore to Ladakh and just enjoy the beautiful scenic views as well as our experiences in this journey.
So not only will we be showing you the beauty, we'll also be taking you along with how the road conditions are, how the driving experience is, what routes that we take, where all are we going to stop, all of that in a single vlog. So we left Bangalore at around 4 in the morning, and we took a fuel up break near Nandi Hills Shell petrol pump. Currently we are heading towards Penukonda, and the plan is to reach Hyderabad, the city of pearls, and stay overnight. According to my research, the road towards Hyderabad is quite well maintained, and now that I'm here, even I observe the same thing, that the roads are quite well maintained and in very good condition. I literally see no bumps or anything as such, just a couple of speed breakers here and there. Apart from that, currently we are now almost in Penukonda, and we'll keep you posted as and when we progress with our journey.
We've just crossed Penukonda and now we've stopped for a quick breakfast in A to B. To be honest, food was kind of okay because we are Kannadigas, like Bangaloreans wouldn't like a Tamil style breakfast at least. So yeah, A to B was fine with the taste, but the washrooms were terrible. I've almost puked once because of the washrooms. And now after our quick and light breakfast, now we'll get back on road and head towards Hyderabad.
So we just crossed Anantapur. Time right now is around 9 a.m. We almost took around 5 hours to reach Anantapur, which is quite slow comparatively. The road conditions are pretty fabulous. There are no glitches or no bad patches or anything as such. Current next stop or next break that we want to take is around Kurnool. Until then, I'll keep you posted on the road conditions.
Hyderabad पहुंचने के बाद we were very tired from all the driving and lack of sleep. तो directly hotels जाके we were resting for the entire day. And जैसे ही शाम हुई, we just took a local auto rickshaw and started off our journey exploring Hyderabad. हम अभी हैं चार मीनार के सामने, जो शॉपिंग बाजार है वहाँ पे. This shopping bazaar literally has everything, from food to clothes to घर का सामान, घर के सामान से शादी की literally Indian grand wedding, clothes, accessories, things that you might have never seen, grand, over the top, everything. लिटरली यू विल फाइंड थिंग्स जो आपको नजर आएंगी इतनी lavish, इतनी fancy, and some things that you will have not seen anywhere else in India. For example, we have these small accessories. सामने आपको नजर आ रहा होगा दुल्हन के कपड़ों के ये होंगे, जैसे यहाँ पे ट्रेडिशनल अटायर्स होती हैं, वो कुछ अटायर्स आपको वीडियो में नजर आ रहे होंगे, wherein these attires are also called as खड़ा दुपट्टा, जो प्रॉपर यहाँ के एथनिक चमकी जो होती है उससे और लेसेस से बनता है. And this literally is not found anywhere else in India except for Hyderabad. And in Hyderabad, it is in front of Char Minar. जो lanes आती हैं चार मीनार के सामने 2-3 गलियां. This is the best place to shop for. You go anywhere else if you want to street shop and take the authentic items from Hyderabad, it is here where you have to go. To start about Charminar and the beauty of Charminar, to just see how vast these pillars are and how beautiful these designs are. It feels like it's larger than life. It's busy street pay when people are busy hustling, shopping, moving around, working. When you stop and look at this one big monument in the middle of a street, in a busy street, you realize कि ये कैसे बना होगा, इसकी स्टोरी क्या होगी, इसकी हिस्ट्री कैसी है. यू गेट लॉस्ट इन टू द हिस्ट्री. यू फॉरगेट दैट यू आर लिविंग इन 21st century and you are literally just teleported to that century when it was built with such amazing detailed design. इसके pillars, the moment I sit and stand and watch these, I literally feel so overwhelmed to see इतना बड़ा, इतना amazing structure उस ज़माने में बना है and it's still standing so strong. It is just amazing to look at the beauty. अभी जब हम इस टाइम पे आए हैं, इस टाइम पे we are not allowed to go inside because it's pretty much late and it's around 9:30 or so. अभी तो अंदर जाना allowed नहीं है, but to be honest, it looks amazing. The details, जो नक्श है, जो pillars हैं, trust me, it's so overwhelming. I cannot stop talking about it. And right when you pan on the right side of Charminar, on the left side, we see much more amazing buildings. And these buildings are hospitals actually. These are not even buildings that are built in like old times sake, but these are working hospitals with such amazing tombs and structures. Trust me, looking at the culture and the monumental structures in Hyderabad is making me feel those era when kings and queens used to walk in these lanes. And you know, जब ये इन गुंबज़ों को देखती थी, I don't know, I just feel like, you know, feeling like that one queen who you might have seen this and like roamed around in these palaces and these structures, and just amazing.
ये है शीमल और रुमाली रोटी which is very famous here. और ये पाया वगैरह बिरयानी अभी हमारी आने वाली है. हम लोगों ने थोड़ा बहुत गोली सोडा एंड अदर कोल्ड ड्रिंक वगैरह भी ऑर्डर कर लिया है. तो we'll enjoy our meal in peace and we'll catch you guys later.
Currently I'm in a hospital called Care Hospital in Hyderabad क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हाई फीवर हो गया था. One thing that I realized about Hyderabad is it has extremely beautiful hospitals. Exterior, interiors are amazing. I had to look at one but coincidentally बीमार पड़ के आ गई. But then the interiors are so beautiful. It looks like a 5-star hotel. Be it the you know, the decoration, the fountains or the restaurant that's been set up for people to, you know, ऐसे लग रहा है कोई 5-star hotel का cafeteria है. And when it comes to the staff and the doctors, trust me, they give you such great service, such great management, be it the billing system, the doctor management, and everything is just really commendable. We had our lunch in a spot next to our hotel. The lunch was really good. After lunch, we left towards our next spot, that is Hussain Sagar Lake. Hussain Sagar Lake का रास्ता बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. There are a lot of places that can be enjoyed with your family and kids. There are exhibitions, fairs, and a lot of restaurants that are different, like airplane themed hai. Then there are these big mela rides that can be enjoyed with when you have kids with you especially. तो यहाँ का रास्ता भी बहुत खूबसूरत है with a lot of trees planted and well maintained and you know structures built around. तो ये रास्ता इतना ही खूबसूरत था. रास्ते में व्यूज़ देखते देखते एंजॉय करते करते we reached Hussain Sagar Lake.
day 2 of exploring Hyderabad. Yesterday we reached in quite late to Hyderabad around 4:35 p.m. We had a lot of sleeplessness. तो जैसे ही हम लोग आए we were very tired. We slept for a couple of hours and हम लोग चले गए चारमीनार एक्सप्लोर करने. We are currently at a place called Hussain Sagar Lakefront. बहुत अच्छा man-made lake बना रखा है. Currently time is around 7 p.m. and the place is like lit with a lot of lights. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से लाइट्स वाइट्स और फैसिलिटी वगैरह बहुत अच्छा कर रखा है लोगों के लिए. फॉर जनरल पब्लिक विल फील कम्प्लीटली सेफ. वेरी नाइस ब्रीजी प्लेस टू बी एट. अगर आपको शाम में कहीं आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ या फिर अपनी फैमिली को लेके आके कोई एक ऐसी शांत प्लेस ढूंढनी है जहाँ पे आप लोग आके चिल कर सकते हो या फिर अपने बच्चों के साथ खेल सकते हो या फिर कुछ करना है, तो अ रियली गुड प्लेस टू हैव फन एट. सिंस दिस इज समर राइट नाउ, यहाँ पे जो पानी है हुसैन सागर का जो लेक है यहाँ पे, तो वो सूख गया है टुवर्ड्स द मेन आर्च पॉइंट्स जहाँ से आपको वो वाटर बॉडी का व्यू दिखता है. तो वो व्यू के पास पानी पूरा सूख गया है एंड द वाटर इज मोर प्रोमिनेंट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द लेक. उस व्यू पॉइंट से आप एक्चुअली 2-3 चीजें देख सकते हो. एक है एक बुद्धा स्टैचू है और दूसरा एक कोई एक टेम्पल जैसा दिखता है, पता नहीं क्या है. तीसरा डॉक्टर अंबेडकर की एक स्टैचू भी लगी हुई है. तो तीनों चीजें प्रोमिनेंटली दिख जाती है आपको.
हुसैन सागर से निकलने के बाद वी वेंट बैक टू आवर रूम्स फॉर अ लिटिल रेस्ट एंड उधर से वी आर प्लानिंग किधर जाना है, व्हाट टू ईट एंड व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. देन वी रियलाइज्ड कि जो भी ऐसे फूड हब है दैट इज इन चारमीनार, दैट इज इन एंड अराउंड चारमीनार. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी केम हियर. यहाँ पे एक बहुत फेमस निमरा कैफे है and we had bun muska and tea over there. Then we went to a place called Milan ice creams or something जहाँ पे हमने शातूत और क्रीम कुछ खाया. I don't know what that is, but then that was very tasty. Bun muska was a little heavy for me. Then we came to Paradise here and Paradise had only veg biryani and looking at us we are not in a mood of veg biryani. So हम अभी जा रहे हैं वापस to explore where we can get non-veg biryani, eat our dinner and then go back to rooms. I will probably take you along on our next left turn that we have tomorrow and let's catch up over there.